To solve this problem, we will square the both sides. Alright, so this square here would cancel the square root sign. Now we have y plus 4 times y minus 4 is equal to 3 times 3, that is 9. So if we expand these brackets, y times y, so y squared, y times minus 4 is minus 4y, plus 4 times y plus 4y, 4 times minus 4 is minus 16, and is equal to 9. So minus 4y plus 4y would become 0. Now we have y squared minus 16 is equal to 9. Alright, so we add 16 to the both sides. So y squared minus 16 plus 16 is equal to 9 plus 16. Minus 16 plus 16 becomes 0. Now we have y squared is equal to 9 plus 16 is 25. So to get rid of this square, we take the square roots of both sides. So this square and the square root sign would go. Now we have y is equal to square root of 25 is plus or minus 5. Alright, so y is equal to plus or minus 5. We'll plug in the values plus or minus 5 into our original equation to be sure that the value of y is correct. Alright, so first we go in with plus 5. So we have the square root of y plus 4, y minus 4 is equal to 3. So we want to check if we put y into this, if we are going to get 3. So 5 plus 4, 5 minus 4. Then we take the square root. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 minus 4 is 1. Square root of this. So 9 times 1 is 9. The square root of 9 is equal to 3. So y equal to 5 satisfies the equation. I will go in with minus 5. Minus 5 plus 4. Minus 5 minus 4. Then we take the square root. And this is minus 1. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. So minus 1 times minus 9 is 9. Then we take the square root of 9. And then we have 3. So this also satisfies the equation. So our y value is equal to plus or minus 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. See you in the next one. Bye.